guys, namaste, happy Navratri to you all. It's Purva and welcome back to my channel. As we all know, we are not allowed to step out for dandiya, but there are some people who are going to play dandiya. और अगर आपकी फैमिली में या फ्रेंड्स के साथ कोई स्मॉल गेट टुगेदर हो, so you can try this look जो मैं इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी. तो I hope ये वीडियो आपको हेल्प करेगी. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite look. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified every time whenever I post a new video. And if you are watching my videos regularly and haven't subscribed yet, so please do subscribe to my channel and bye. See you soon.